Hello everyone. If you are looking to land your dream job as a bartender, you are in for a treat. Today I am going to show you the resume template that's not only the most selected by top employers but also designed to pass any application tracking system or ATS with flying colors. This is the ultimate bartender resume that gets you noticed and hired fast. Let's dive in. Section number 1, objective statement. First up, let's talk about objective statement. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Keep it concise and highlight what makes you great fit for the role. For example, here's how Carlos Mendoza, a seasoned bartender, does it. Notice how here he has emphasized his personal traits like being personable and dynamic and his dedication to quality service. This sets the tone for the rest of the resume. Section number 2, the most important section, which is the skill sections of the resume. This is where you showcase your abilities that match the job description. Carlos focused on the key skills that are essential within the qualifications mentioned in job description, like communication skills, bartending, and wine knowledge. When you list your skills, be specific. Instead of just saying communication skills, Carlos writes, greet guests warmly and ensure they feel appreciated through attentive service. This not only shows the skill, but it also shows how it got applied to the job. Next most important section of a bartender resume is the experience section, where you really get to shine by showing off your past work. Carlos highlights his time at La Cantina Mexicana, where he was a bartender from June 2021 to present. In your bullet points, use action verbs and include specifics. For example, Carlos mentions that he mixed, garnished, and served a variety of drinks, ensuring the consistency and high standards. He also adds the value by showing he is responsible, saying he monitored guests' alcohol intake, practicing responsible service, and compliance with state laws. These details point a clear picture of his role and his contributions. Another great point is how Carlos highlights building relationships with the guest. This shows the ability to provide the personalized service, which is key in the hospitality industry. Next important section of a bartender resume is education and certification section. While bartending may not always require a degree, having relevant certifications is crucial. Carlos lists his responsible service of alcohol certification and his Maryland alcohol compliance card. These certifications prove that he is legally qualified to serve alcohol and understands the safety standards. Be sure to include your certification details, including any scores or additional information that highlights your qualification. Another optional section that everyone can add as a bartender is the additional information and availability. In this section, you can mention that you are available for both the day and the evening shift and you are ready to start immediately. This shows the flexibility and eagerness to get started, which employers love. Make sure you include these details to give employer a clear idea when you can work. And that's it. By following these tips and structuring your resume like Carlos Mendoza did, you'll be able to land your dream job. Here's the bonus tip for you. You can edit this resume as per your qualification by using the link in the pinned comment. Also, if you need more such examples, you can check out our blog, which has more than 5 bartender specific resume examples which are readily available to edit. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe now for more such content.